Let's look at the environment problem, the silent failure. Our code was perfect, our dependencies were correct, but the build still failed with unresolved reference errors. The errors pointed to our code, but the problem wasn't in the code at all. It was in the build environment. The clue came from the error unable to delete directory. This pointed to a file lock issue, a common problem on Windows, where a background process can prevent the build system from cleaning up old files. Even after fixing that, some dependencies still wouldn't download correctly. The final critical discovery was the file permission, where the root was the root cause. The Gradle build system running as a normal user did not allow the operating system from writing the downloaded libraries into its cache. And this happened because the Android Studio was shut down or restarted. And when you restart it, it comes back as a normal user, not as a administrator. So when we ran it again as administrator, the issue was resolved. And the crucial problem of trying to find issues in your code is not always the solution. Sometimes it is the third parties, sometimes it is the environment, sometimes the things you're trying to download doesn't exist. So all these things need to be checked and rechecked.